Hello, Max Mortillaro here from TECHunplugged here at KubeCon 2024 in Paris. I'm here at the CyberArk stand and I'm here to talk with Josh. Josh, can you introduce yourself? Hello.
Hi, I'm Josh Kirkwood, Product Marketing Manager for Cloud Security at CyberArk.
Josh, thank you. We're really pleased to talk with you. Can you tell us a bit about yourself, about CyberArk? What are you doing at KubeCon? Because we know CyberArk on the, let's say, more traditional side of things. So can you tell us a few words about that?
Of course, we're here to talk about identity security for everyone. That's not just what you may know us from the PAM space of dealing with it on-prem. That's dealing with the cloud, be it services, workloads, containers, container orchestration, Kubernetes, and then of course into the machine space, including things like secrets management. So we're trying to tell an end-to-end story focused very much on what's appropriate for Kubernetes here.
Excellent. So is there something you're doing specifically, like you're looking into the code, or are you just looking, let's say, at the, maybe I'm not sure if I got it right, but are you just looking at the infrastructure side of things, or also looking to the code and the more developer-oriented aspects?
So for us here now, we're focusing very much on building security that's available with whatever the end developer is going to do. With the Kubernetes space at the moment, we can't just say there's one right way of doing it. We might be talking about managing secrets in the code, but giving the developer the ability to retrieve them, not managing secrets in the code, we don't want that, but allowing a developer to retrieve at the code level from the API a credential, and we do that by saving them from ever needing an initial secret to identify with our vault. Or we might want to do it at the platform level by synchronizing secrets into the right secret store. But what we have to do is deliver a solution that's appropriate for whatever the edge user is going to do, because let's be realistic, this event is about developer autonomy, and we have to help them get the right solution that's secure and reduces risk.
That makes sense. Regarding your feelings around this edition of KubeCon, compared to the past year, to the last years, are you feeling kind of a different vibe, a different energy?
I would say that I'm getting a sense of maturity from it. It's developed into an event where people are enthused, people are talking in great detail, are sharing openly. And it's doing that at a level that allows me, if I was a technologist in an end user organization, to now hear from my peers in other ones, talking about actually having done it, the results of doing it and the outcomes that they're driving. So I think it's really turning into a mature and successful event.
Okay. So when people want to, consider CyberArk, to secure their, what they're developing, what they're creating, and so on, what is the kind of the entry point? Where do they get started?
Where do they get started? These days, I think where do they get started is a conversation that might come from what risks are they seeing. My first recommendation these days is to secure the fundamentals of their platform. For me, I think that the most critical thing to focus on is the cloud platforms they're building on themselves. So CSP console access, because that could grant an attacker or a malicious insider access to like 1,400 individual services across 3 different CSPs, right? That's where I would start right now to build healthy security in the space.
Okay. Well, Nick, Josh, one last word on, where you would probably point people to when they want to engage the conversation with you guys?
If they want to speak to us, well, we're here right now. I think on the corner of the Arc de Triomphe area, but we're also on CyberArk.com. We are available through our social channels and available through a range of different channel partners if they need help that way. But no, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Josh. Thank you very much, and we'll be around. Thank you.